What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Inside this video, I'm going to teach you how to start making good income, okay, just from the comfort of your home. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you a method that will work for you no matter what your background, what your experience level. If you follow the steps inside this short video, then I'm very confident you'll be able to go out there and really start to make the income you want, okay? Now, there's a few things you need to keep in mind. Now, to make $300 per day, all you have to do is refer people to a product online that pays you for doing that work. Okay, this is called affiliate marketing. Now, I recommend you start with this because there's a lot of things online to make money. But if you want to make money on autopilot and you want to do it in a way that's easy and you don't need a lot of skills, affiliate marketing is going to be your number one choice. You know, there's things like drop shipping or doing surveys, but these things do not really give you that quick and easy results like affiliate marketing. Chances are you're already referring people to a movie, or you're referring people to a new restaurant in your town. Maybe you like the restaurant, you referred a friend to it. You're already doing the work of affiliate marketing. Now you're just gonna get paid for doing it. Okay, so what you wanna do is you wanna find a product, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do this in this video, but you wanna find a product that most people would want, and then you want to become an affiliate of that product. Because rather than trying to promote or recommend people to a product to earn money online of something that no one's really interested in, if you find a product that most people are interested in and you recommend people to that, the numbers game will play out in your favor and you will earn money on those sales, on those referrals. So it's really simple to get up to $300 or more per day, especially if you have products that will pay you, $100 or more per referral. Okay, it would only take a few people a day. Now, where do most people go wrong? Because chances are, if you're watching this video, you've probably heard or seen about affiliate marketing before. Maybe you've gone out there and you've tried to promote it. These are some of the main pitfalls that people have, and you want to avoid these when you go out there and start to promote. Okay, so the first thing is they run out of people to share the product with. A lot of people, they go out there online, they find a product, they become an affiliate of that product. They get their own customized link that tracks the referrals to them. They go out there, they start promoting that. Maybe they post on Facebook a few times, or they make an Instagram post. And then eventually they run out of people, right? They run out of family and friends to actually share the product with, and they're left frustrated. Well, also, they don't have a consistent method to get new people, or just traffic, as we say online, to their affiliate link to keep making money. So oftentimes, again, people will go out there, they'll try to promote this product, but they don't know a proven method to get new people seeing that product, seeing your affiliate link over and over again. Because what it comes down to is this is really a numbers game. The more people that you share the product you're promoting with, the more people that are eventually going to decide to buy. So you want to have a consistent method. Also, a lot of people that struggle or they quit, maybe you've tried affiliate marketing in the past and you've quit, you've gotten frustrated. A lot of people don't realize that it takes on average, up to 7 follow-up messages for someone to buy. So basically, a lot of times people come in with expectations that aren't really true. They want to make money online, they want to make consistent income, but they'll post one time on Facebook, no one will buy from them, and then they'll get frustrated and quit. You have to realize that it takes up to 7 times or more in some cases to get people to buy. So a lot of times people will give up before they hit these 7 follow-up messages. And also, they don't have an automated process in place to actually follow up those 7+ times and make sales for them. So if they want to make $300 or more a day on autopilot, they don't have a proven system in place that will actually do that for them. So they get frustrated, they think it's a lot of work, they think they don't have enough time in the day, and that's really what gets them to quit. So what I want to share with you is now the easiest solution to make $300 a day on autopilot, so you can avoid all the pitfalls and you can start making some substantial income from the comfort of your home. Now, the easiest solution that I found over 5+ years online is what you want to do is, number one, find an affiliate product or products that most people would be interested in, like making money online. See, a lot of times people will go out there and they'll find some obscure product that most people aren't interested in. But if you promote a product that's, for example, like teaching people how to make money online, which is the type of products I usually promote, most people are going to be interested in making more money. So almost everyone can really be a lead or an interested person for you, okay? Now, what you also want to keep in mind is you want to find a product that comes with training on how to generate endless traffic or visitors to your affiliate link so you never run out of people. Remember, I said most people run out of people to share the product with, and then eventually they don't make any more commissions, they don't make any more money, and they're left frustrated. They're not able to quit that job or travel or do what they want that got them to want to make more money in the first place. So, very few products out there, but there are some. When you're going to choose a product, you want to find some that actually have training on how to generate more traffic, more visitors to your affiliate link. Once you understand how to do that, then the world is really at your fingertips. And last, what you want to do is you want to find an affiliate product or products that have a back-end follow-up sequence in place that will follow up with your leads. And a lead is just simply someone that's seen your affiliate product you're promoting. You want to have a affiliate product that has a back-end in place that will automatically follow up on autopilot. So you follow up with those people 7+ times and eventually they'll buy or they'll just decide that it's not for them. But if you have that in place, you're not ever going to drop the ball. You're not ever going to feel overwhelmed or like it's a lot of work. You can actually just focus on getting new people to the front of that system, and the system's going to kick in and do everything else for you, okay? Now, in summary, my friend, because I really wanted to share what I truly believe to be the easiest way, I want to leave you with a few resources to implement this and take action. Now, number one is you could go to a site like clickbank.com or jvzoo.com. These are popular affiliate sites out there. You could go there and find affiliate products to promote. Often convert pretty well. A lot of them are actually going to be in, the make money online niche, the weight loss niche. These are niches that most people are going to be interested in, losing weight or making money, etc. Now, the only issue I will share with ClickBank or JVZoo is oftentimes the amount they pay you per referral can kind of be low in most cases, and also they don't usually have a back end that will follow up for you. You would still have to create the messages and the email follow-up sequence and all that stuff. So you do want to keep that in mind. Now, what I want to share with you before I get going is, if you want my number one recommended system that I've been sharing with people and personally using that's been allowing me to generate some pretty good income on total autopilot, the exact thing I use, go to the first link in the description and I want you to take a look at that system. My buddy David is going to actually take you by the hand and walk you through setting it up, as well as how to get access to training so you learn how to never run out of people and get endless new people seeing your affiliate products that actually come built into the system so you can start to make the amount of money you truly want. Anyway, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value, click the like button and also comment below. What was your takeaway? Did this help you? What do you want me to cover next? And also be sure to click the subscribe button so you never miss out on my latest money-making methods. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.